Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide active status on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide active status on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and over here guys you'll be required to tap on the bottom right corner of the screen where there is your profile picture icon on a small circle. Tap on it, and over here again at the top right corner of the screen you can see your three lined icons. Tap on that three lined icon, and over here you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the messages and story replies. Tap on messages and story replies, and again on this interface you can see your show activity status under the category of you can see your online. Tap on show activity status, and over here the first option is the show your active status. Now in order to hide your active status or active now on Instagram, tap on the right side of that toggle icon. When it's turned to white, it will be turned off, and this is how you'll be able to hide your active status on Instagram. And guys, this is how to hide your active status on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.